I met his dad first. I did not meet Cheteshwar first, and I was like, this person is not interested. He's just, like there's a whole facade or maybe family pressure. I was under family pressure to, kind of show up and meet suitors. And I had a whole theory in my head wherein, he would have a lot of attitude, and that's why he didn't turn up. Actually, he was traveling for matches, and that's why he was not available. So I met his dad first, and then after maybe 10 days, I met him, and he was reluctant that he'll only meet at his uncle's place. And I was like, in this day and age, who will meet at uncle's place? Like, why couldn't just go to a restaurant or a cafe and meet? So I had a whole theory in my head that, this person is just messing around and he's not interested. So it'll be good to, get the weight off my back as well. If he doesn't show up, I won't be the bad guy here. And he shows up, and he's completely opposite of what I had imagined him to be, because he was reserved and he has had his own thing in his mind that, okay, I hear this is my safe space and I don't, nobody will judge me or so. So that's why he wanted me to meet him at his uncle's place, and it started from there on. And then, yeah, we are going strong.
Like she rightly mentioned that I didn't have any attitude. It was more about not revealing things. Look, I'm an introvert. When I first met her, the thing was that I didn't want everyone to know that I was looking for a suitable partner, because I didn't want my partner to just judge me or just know me as a cricketer, because she didn't know anything about cricket, and that was the best part. She didn't know who I was. She didn't know what level of cricket I had played. Only my mother-in-law, she knew that I had played and I had represented the Indian team. So when I spoke to Pooja, things we were talking like a friend. It was the first meeting was so smooth. Like we ended up talking for 1.5 2 hours, and both the family members were sitting in the living area, and they were running out of topics. They didn't know what to talk, because in a normal typical arranged marriage you have two families meeting, and then we were sitting in a room for 1.5 2 hours chit chatting. We didn't know how the time went, but that was the first impression. That was the time where both of us were very, very positive. That was the time when we decided that like we are liking each other and we would like to know each other even more. And after that we spoke with each other for about a month and a half. And that's when we decided that we want to get engaged and we can spend the life together.
Okay, let me break the bubble to you. One of the many things Cheteshwar told her about in great detail was something called ACL, anterior cruciate ligament, his knee injury. बताओ रोहित भाई क्या करें अब?
डिटेल में ACL के बारे में क्या बात किया होगा? आई एम श्योर इट वुड हैव बीन अ बाउंसर टू पूजा, क्योंकि I can guess it's the same thing happens to me when I talk about injuries to my wife at the beginning, but now she knows everything about it because of obviously a constant chat around it. But previously, it's tough, and ACL is a very complicated injury.
So we were in 2021. We were in England for the Test series, and I think that was the 4th Test match. It was in Southampton, and I was traveling with Aditi. She was 6 months old, and I told I'll be staying with a friend at an Airbnb, so don't bother booking, an extra room for me. Come Southampton, I was bored, and I was like, I'll just stay at the hotel, and he's like, sorry. You cannot. We'll have to take separate rooms, and there were an additional room was not available. So he went on to say, you have 24 hours, but like before the match, I will need to have a separate room. And we had a proper argument or a fight of sorts, and I was like, how would you do that? I have a 6-month-old with me. He's like, you should have told you. We have to plan in advance. And that match, he scored a century. And he comes laughing with the kid, with like a school bag of sorts, and he's just like giggling, and he's like, "See, it worked," So, but I was like, "Yeah, you could have just told me, and I would have obliged." Yeah, but I after 24 hours, I ended up finding an apartment, and I went and stayed there.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.